Why does speaking English for just 5 minutes leave you completely exhausted, even when the conversation itself was easy? It's not the language that's tiring you out. It's something running quietly in the background the whole time. Here's what it is. While you're speaking, there's a second process running at the same time. An internal critic scanning every word for mistakes as you say it. You're not just producing language, you're simultaneously grading yourself in real time. That's not one task. That's 2 full mental tasks running together, and that's what drains you so fast. This is the before state. Speaking and correcting running at the same time, competing for the same mental energy. No wonder 5 minutes feels like 30. You're doing double the work most native speakers do in a normal conversation. Here's how you reduce the load, not by making fewer mistakes, but by turning off the live grading system while you speak. Step 1. Practice low inhibition speaking drills. Talk for 1 full minute without stopping to fix anything, even if you hear your own mistakes. Keep going. This trains your brain to tolerate imperfection in the moment instead of interrupting itself. Step 2. Separate correction into its own practice time. Review and fix mistakes after you speak, not during. Record yourself, then listen back later and correct calmly, with zero pressure instead of judging live. Step 3. Accept that native speakers self-correct too, just silently, after the fact. Fluent speakers aren't mistake-free in the moment. They simply don't interrupt themselves to fix things live. Removing that live judgment is what fluency actually sounds like. This is the after. Speaking runs on its own without a second process competing for the same energy. Correction still happens, just afterward, calmly, not in the middle of every sentence. Try this today. Talk out loud for 1 full minute without stopping to fix anything. Then review it calmly afterward. That's how you stop running 2 tasks at once. If this helped, subscribe. Simba EduZone posts a new English mindset video every week.